Hi there, Dorothy here. Today we're making something really fun and really easy, popsicles. Not just any popsicle though, we're making popsicles that you can have for a healthy breakfast as well as that icy cold treat on a hot day. So they're not your basic ice pops with sugar and artificial flavoring. These popsicles have Greek yogurt and real fruit, and they are to die for. So very easy, follow me and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, first we're going to puree up some blueberries. They can be fresh or frozen, 1.5 cups. And I'm going to puree them with some jelly, and I'm using blueberry pomegranate jelly because it's what I have. You can use strawberry or any other flavor that you like, or none. And then I'm adding some ginger lime syrup because I think lime and blueberries go really well together. Now you could just put in a little bit of lime juice if you want, or a little bit of ginger. So we want to puree that up. You don't need to puree this for very long. Blueberries are soft, just enough to get them all blended together. Now, put 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt into a bowl, stir it a little bit to get the lumps out, and then you're going to add the blueberry puree to the yogurt. And you can just fold it in and swirl it around if you want to have swirls in your popsicles, or you can blend it pretty thoroughly and you'll have completely blue popsicles. Your choice, be creative. So after this, we are going to fill up the popsicle molds. Now the molds are something, there's all kinds of molds out there, or you can make your own with Dixie cups. I got a few from the thrift store, a few different shapes just to try them out. When you fill these, hold them over the bowl if you're as messy as I am, because it can be pretty messy. Fill them about 1/4 inch from the top because you want to leave room for the topping. Now the topping I chose is granola because they're breakfast pops. Granola, breakfast, they go together. You can use coconut, or you can use nuts, or you can use whatever topping that you would like. So top off all of the molds with a little bit of the granola into that 1/4 inch. And then they'll fall off, the granola will fall off of the popsicle if you don't secure it. So you secure it with the honey. Honey is a little bit healthier than sugar, and it works really well. And now, if you have the type of mold that doesn't have a pre-made stick, you need to stick in a popsicle stick right in the middle. And then we're going to put these in the freezer for 4 hours, freeze them up, and then do a taste test. Okay, I brought in my trusty taste tester husband, and somewhere around here is the dog who will make his appearance. But this is Chris, and I'm gonna have him taste these to see if they taste as good as what you remember as a kid, even though they're healthy, okay? So, it's blueberry and Greek yogurt and a little bit of granola. Oh, it's got a little tart crunch to it, doesn't it? Would you eat this for breakfast?
There's a lot of body in it.
Would you want this for breakfast or a snack?
Snack.
A snack? I'd eat it for breakfast.
It's good.
Yeah.
Is there a difference?
No. Just different shapes. So, now we can go work in the yard, get really hot, and come back in and have blueberry popsicles. Sound like a plan?
That's the deal.
All right.
Maybe I'll skip the yard and you finish the blueberry.
Okay. Well, in that case, I'm going to skip the yard work too. Cheers.